my ruling is final. So we come to item number 3 again. Chief Minister in charge to finance to reply on the budget discussion. Chief Minister.
Mr. Speaker, sir,
Mr. Speaker,
like
sir,
to
if the rule is not followed, I think the duty of the opposition members to sit here is ended.
I've already made my ruling.
The ruling is not very clear, sir, so we are not satisfied. So the opposition members have no role to sit here and waste their time. The finance minister is redundant, it's useless.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think your ruling is very clear. Let me again come back. See, I think in the first day itself, we place this BAC decision to the House. And ultimately, the House has adopted, has agreed. So, we
Mr. Speaker, sir, we as a mark of disapproval, lest it becomes precedent, we walk out as a token of our protest, Mr. Speaker.
So then even the opposition means they make fool of themselves. If you say you walk out at the same time, you also walk out at the same time, we approve it. I think, sir, that in fact, this attitude is not at all acceptable.
You may move, Parliamentary Affairs Minister can move the Rule 316, we can for the suspension.
Sorry, sir.
You may
Yes,
move under Rule 316 for suspension of rules. I think.
Sir,
No need.
still, sir. Let me just tell you one thing, sir. Because this calendar has been approved by the House.
Exactly.
The first day itself. So how can we again go back to
Mr.
316?
Speaker, sir,
How can we go back to
already
316?
given you a ruling. The Honourable Chief Minister is already on his feet. He will be allowed to continue his speech.
Yes.
I'll walk out.
Sir, first of all, it is really, really unfortunate that the honorable members are making an issue out of something where they themselves were part of the decision when you had put the question of the business, the proposal of the Business Advisory Committee, and the entire House has accepted it. To me, sir, it looks like they don't want to listen to the reply on the budget, because it looks like they are seeing the kind of work that's happening, and from what I understand, that they are finding a reason not to be here to listen to the reply. So, which is very unfortunate again, as I said, because these are very important matters. A budget speech will be, and the budget reply will be focusing on so many aspects. But nonetheless, sir, it's their decision. The entire state is watching, and I would like to take this opportunity to reply to this budget debate, sir. And I would like to thank all the honorable members who have participated in this budget debate. Honorable member from Nongkrem, honorable member from Nongpo, honorable member from Jirang, honorable member from Makurwat, honorable member from Salmanpara, honorable member from Juwai, honorable member from Ampatti, honorable member from Kharkutta, honorable member from Mohati, honorable member from Ramrai, from Mosunram, from Amlarem, from Mokunru, from Dalu, from Nongstoin, from Gambegri, from Sora, from Mokayo, from Maulai, from Songsak, from Shela, from Soyong, from Rangsakona, from Moshunrut, from Dadingri, and from Shillong North. So I would like to thank them all for the participation.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center